This video highlights the beautiful coves of Menorca with clear turquoise water. Some of the hidden coves have poor cell phone reception, which we really didn't mind.
Today is Wednesday, May 24th. The time is, I have no idea, just after noon.
Look at that, we're going straight into the wind. We could tack and then it would take us twice as long to get there. But we waited until noon, so we're going to go ahead and motor over so we can anchor in the daytime. But right into the wind. But it shouldn't be as bad as the last few days were.
Yeah, we know that it's windy, but it's less windy than in the previous days. So we were eager to get moving, eager to get going.
Okay, we're headed out of the Bay of Poyensa, headed straight to Menorca, straight into the wind. Got the staysail up, more as a flopper stopper. Carmela is pointing to a sailboat over there.
The other side of the bay.
Yeah. Around that corner is Alcudia Bay. And back there is the Bay of Poyensa. So we're leaving Mallorca. Beautiful day.
This is an overview of our passage in the Balearic Islands. We stopped at Ibiza and then we went on to Mallorca. We explored Mallorca extensively and we really had a lot of fun preparing videos of our adventures. This video is about sailing along the southern coast of Menorca and enjoying the coves of Menorca.
We have all the sails up.
Que es Barcelona, Ibiza, Menorca, Cabo Lanao y Cabo de Alta Radio.
Getting closer. Can you see the blinking lighthouse? Still quite a distance away. Maybe another hour.
I think that coast coming up straight ahead of us will have better protection. Especially if the winds are out of the northeast tonight.
Cala Lugar is the name.
Yeah.
We're just at the edge of this cliff.
Yeah, don't get too close. Still don't have very good cell phone reception, but it's very pretty.
Yeah, look how blue the water is.
Yeah, when the sun comes out, here comes some sun on there. Now you can see the shadow of the boats coming out. Look at that with the sun coming out from behind the cloud.
Looks pretty.
Okay, there's our dinghy.
Yeah.
And we want to maybe paddle up the little river a ways, see how far we can go.
Okay.
Maybe just around the corner.
All right, let's get to it.
Okay.
Paddle, Mark. Paddle.
I can't do it on one side.
We were
Say that again.
course over ground 120, 122 true. Bearing to waypoint 121 true. Distance to waypoint 1.46 nautical miles.
Okay.
And we were 4.2 knots, now it's 3.6.
Okay. A little bit lighter. Look at this head. This point.
It's pretty.
Pretty colorful. Long coastline, baby.
Long coastline.
Lily's way up there. That'll determine where we want to go.
Hey, I like your shirt. What's it
Mallorca.
say?
It's an original. The original Balearic. Established in 1229.
What a song.
Yeah, I can see that they're serving San Miguel like that.
I can see a tall cell phone tower. Might be nice to watch a movie
That's true.
again. Although, we really haven't missed it.
I don't know if I could go behind those boats.
I think there's 4 and a motorboat.
I'm not so sure there's room for us. Shall we go on? Bunches of yellow lilies. Okay. The big green, there's a big street with cars. Starboard, we're going to tack.
All right. We're at 143.
Okay, I'm just going to roll up the head sail. Okay, baby. Now let's take it off of autopilot
Okay.
and come hard to
Stand by.
starboard.
Hard to starboard.
All the way. And just continue all the way through back that way. Okay, now
can
get
I
it straighten around, of course.
We're at 305.
Turn it back towards 290.
Okay.
Looking for a place to anchor. Going back and forth on the coast.
We have time.
Beautiful sail. True.
2:20 p.m. May 31st.
May has gone by so fast.
This was also
cross-stratified.
We wanted to go snorkeling, but we didn't want to be in the water during a thunderstorm. However, we didn't mind walking to the nearby cala on the Cami de Cavalls, the very popular trail, and visiting our nearby cala in Porter, for lunch.
Don't know if you can see how clear the water is from up here.
Good job.
No, let's go to the beach instead. The reflection of the water makes the hull of those sailboats look blue. It was raining the other day that we came, so the beach was empty then. Now it's full. We're on our way to Mahon, on the island of Menorca. After Mahon, we hope to go further east in that direction to Sardinia.
We're approaching Mahón, Menorca. It's considered the second largest natural harbor in the world. We've seen lots of churches in the ports of Spain named after Our Lady of Mount Carmel, who is the patron saint of fishermen and seafaring communities.
Esa es el
El salchichón.
Ok, esa, una.
Y esto es la sobrasada.
La otra es
Ay, esta no,
sobrasada.
perdona, esta.
Es esa. Sobrasada. Ok, muy bien.
Muchas gracias.
A usted, gracias. ¿Y el queso?
Y el queso es este, el parella. Ah, es así.
Es este.
La ciutat antiga. I la ciutat antiga que està dintre de les murades comença precisament aquí. Mireu com el carrer ja és moltíssim més estret. Mireu el de darrere, molt ample. Els d'aquí ja molt més estret. I nosaltres ara estem dalt de tot. I a poc ara veureu que anirem baixant i arribarem a l'esport.
We just passed the green entrance marker. There's the red one.